posting in a group keeps you top of mind, but only if done correctly. You must know and follow the guidelines and rules of every group. And knowing your audience is so important so you can tailor your message to meet them. Some key elements when you're in a group before you post: the About Us section, rules and guidelines, existing content, and starting a discussion. Within the group, the About Us tells you exactly who the group is, what it's about, the topic allowed to be discussed, and the audience. So each group has a different topic and you must stay on topic. Otherwise, your post will be hidden and you may be asked to leave the group. Rules and guidelines also give you all of the rules and items that you must follow while you're engaging within the group. Next, we want to scroll through the existing content that is in that group, and we want to make sure that the posts are getting comments, likes, some kind of engagement. By doing this, we can see how this audience actually engages with posts. If I start to see posts that have no engagement, I know that's not a good thing for me to post, and so I should tailor my content differently. Remember to stay on topic within your group. This is the Alignable University group, for example, so it's all about how to use Alignable. This is not a place to talk about SEO. This is not a place to talk about tax season. This is legitimately just to talk about Alignable. If you want to talk about those other topics, you should do those in the groups based on those topics. Now that we know what we want to post and who our audience is, we will start our discussion up at the top, and we're all ready to go.